Hello, everybody. Welcome to the channel. When it comes to iPhones, I think the iPhones people should not buy are the ones that are no longer getting any form of update. That includes security updates. I think the main problem I have with phones that are no longer getting any form of updates at all is the security aspect. You can make the argument that if it's no longer getting a iOS or, operating software in general type of update, then it's still going to be a good and viable phone. But if it no longer gets security updates, then yikes, I don't think that is good at all. So, in that instance, the iPhone 10s and before are no longer going to be good, in my personal opinion, to buy in the year of 2026. That being said, I do think the older iOS software has actually got an update last year for security purposes. So, I believe it was the iPhone 6 Plus that got the security update. That was like the oldest one that got the security update. Regardless, though, when it comes down to it, most of the time, I also believe the phones that are iPhone 10s and before are no longer going to be good for a majority of the people, especially because of the low amount of onboard storage for your devices. I also believe the phones that are not going to get software updates pretty soon are no longer going to be good for a majority of the people, like the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 12. I believe the iPhone 12 has one more year left for software updates, so I believe that the iPhone 13 and 14, 15, 16, and 17 are the ones that are going to be good for a majority of the people out there looking for iPhone devices. If you guys plan on buying an iPhone anytime soon, let me know down in the comments down below which one you're going to buy. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below as well. Please like and subscribe because it helps out a lot more than you think. Anyways, peace out.